Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo señora L y hoy voy a introducir nuestra perrita nueva, Maggie. Hi, my name is Senora L, and today we're going to introduce our new puppy, Maggie. And also, we're going to talk about la clima, the climate, or el tiempo is also called, some of the weathers we encounter. So some of the weathers that we encounter every day. Now, of course, well, in a later video, we'll talk about the seasons of the year. But today, Maggie here, she's going to help me describe some of the weathers. Now, also, in previous videos, we have gone over how to introduce. Maggie tiene 3 meses. That means Maggie is 3 years old. Maggie es negra y blanca. Maggie is black and white. Maggie es un perro. Maggie is a dog. And Maggie es increíble. Maggie's incredible. So, like I say, she's gonna help me today, and we're gonna have to dress up for the occasions. So here we go. Let's go. Hace mal tiempo. It's bad weather. Está nublado. It is cloudy. Hace bien tiempo. Ay, Maggie. It's good weather. Hace frío. It is cold. Tengo frío. I am cold. Ay. Hace calor. It is hot. Ugh. Tengo calor. I feel hot. Está lloviendo. It's raining. She likes the rain. Está soleado. It's very sunny. Yeah. Está nevando. It's snowing. Hace viento. Ay, hace viento. It's windy. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. If you would like to see more of our Spanish content, please feel free to click here, or subscribe below here. Until next time, hasta luego.